This box, as you can see, is 24 by 16 by 3 inches deep. And I don't know what's in here, because I don't know anything that I ordered that would be in a box this size. So let's open it together and find out, then we'll talk about it. I'm very confused. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is that you get to see my community posts on your homepage, your YouTube homepage specifically, and that's where I post things like deals and rare finds and sales and coupon codes for these things we love. Now, I've talked a few times about a big sale that I purchased a bunch of things from the RealReal, and this is one of those items. I don't know what's in here because it's such a weird sized box. It could be a few different things. So let's open this up with my trusty green ceramic box cutter knife, and we will find out. Such a great sound. The best sound. We'll find out together what is in here. Oh my god, I know what it is now. As soon as I opened it, I'm really excited about this one. I tell you what, this is the third unboxing that I'm filming in the same day from the RealReal sale. I just opened one I was very happy with, one I was disappointed with. Now this is the third one, and I'm gonna be very happy with this one because I can see it came with some extras that were not mentioned in the listing, and that makes me very happy. Very happy. Very, very happy. Now I know why it's in this box. And honestly, oh, it's so nice. Oh my gosh. I kind of suspected that this might be the case when I saw the box and picked it up and jiggled it around. But again, the listing didn't say anything about the extra thing that it came with. So I was like, no, that couldn't be it. You're imagining wonderful things, but they don't exist because it wasn't in the listing. Here's my receipt. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. Look at this. Look at this. Sharing my joy. I'm going to reveal it. It's going to come out from the bottom. I'm letting you know so you know where to look because you don't want to miss this gorgeousness. I'm so glad I bought this now because I was a little on the fence about it. Look. Anybody recognize it yet? I bet you do. Oh my god. Look at this. Look. It's going to cover my face because it's so big. It's Gucci. It's Gucci balloons. It did not say that it came with this beautiful Gucci box. OMG. The only box I have from Gucci is a tiny little box that my Marmont card holder came in, and it's just boring black and white. I've always wanted one of their beautiful boxes. And the Gucci is in silver metallic. It's gorgeous. We're opening. There's even tissue paper in it. Oh my god. Okay. The lid is coming off. You can see what it is. Tissue paper. Oh, how pretty. The little thing from the RealReal. Uh-oh. Hold on, I have to interrupt. We interrupt this live unboxing for something even more exciting than Gucci. Are you ready? Coming from the bottom of the screen, Roxy. Hello, Roxy. Hello, beautiful. She is so beautiful. She's even more beautiful than Gucci box. Everyone is always asking to see more of the dogs, so here she is. They're always in here at my feet when I'm filming, but they are in their little bed, cozy and comfortable. And I don't have COOKIES because it's not Vlogmas, so they don't come visit me like they do in December. Roxy, say hi to the people. Say hi to YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Now you're gonna go back down so we can look at this, yes? Mwah. We love you, Roxy. Everyone loves you. You're a bigger star than I am. She's hilarious. Her personality completely turns off if I pick her off in front of the camera. All right, where were we? This scarf. OMG. There were a few scarves years ago that I looked at in the Gucci boutique, and I wasn't at a point in my luxury collection journey that I was willing to spend luxury money on scarves like this. But this is one that I have always remembered and never forgotten about, which means the same thing. It still has the tags on it there. It says Gucci They had quite a few of these on the website. There may still be some up there. I'm not sure when you'll be seeing this and how long it was, but I suspect, since they had so many of these and they were all like new condition, I suspect that they get them from the outlets. Like these were probably at the outlets and then didn't sell, so they took the inventory and sold it to the RealReal, kind of like how different places sell their unsold inventory to TJ Maxx, for example. Home Goods, Marshalls. So this, yes, it's a big square. It's a big giant square, as you can see. I can't see you anymore, but it's big giant square. Obviously it has the Gucci blooms and the Supreme GG print on it. And this is the blue one. There's also a pinkish version or a pinkish orangey one. And I know on the bags in this collection, there was a green version, but I don't think I've ever seen a scarf in the green. But this blue is beautiful. The way that I wear these big scarves is I take it by the two opposite corners and then let it drape and pull it around like this. And then I probably just need to cut that tag off because it's a pretty big tag that'll get in the way. Push my chair out of the way a little bit, stand back so you can see this better. Yeah, that tag is just flopping out. That has to come off. But you can wear it like this, which I think looks a bit more Western. What I like to do is take these two ends and put them over to the side and tie like that, and I like that look better. And you can hide those ends underneath and just have that hanging like a big triangle. I'm not doing the best job styling this because I'm looking at it in the monitor where I'm backwards, so it's always a little bit confusing to figure that out. But you could hide those two things under there. I usually just leave them out though, and that adds a little bit extra detail there. But I thought with my wardrobe, the colors that I wear, which are neutrals and blues and greens, like dark greens, I thought this would go perfect with that. And I always wear blue jeans, pretty much nothing else, sometimes a few other things. I generally wear solid colored tops too, so that I can, accessories are my thing, right? That's obvious for my channel. So if I have solid colored tops, blue jeans, I can match that with any accessory, with a nice scarf, a handbag, a bandeau on a handbag, a bag charm, whatever it may be. It's pretty easy to match that stuff in patterns if you have solid tops. So that was all planned. This is beautiful. I love it. It's very lightweight too. Let me take it off because I don't know if you really got the sense for how light this is. And it's very soft. So you can see my hand running through there. So it's not sheer, but it's very thin. Not sure if you can see my face because I can't see you very well, but I'm just trying to give you an idea of how thin it is. Very lightweight, not a winter scarf. This would be great for spring, summer, especially with the beautiful flowers on it. I love this. Oh look, in addition to all the G's, it says Gucci there. And it has, if you didn't notice, a fringed edge. It's really beautiful. I have a lot of scarves. I think this might be my new favorite. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. It's beautiful. I love it. It smells brand new. It doesn't have a funky smell. I love that it came in the packaging. Now, if you buy one of these from the RealReal, if they're still there, I can't guarantee that it'll come with a box like mine did because I didn't know it was coming with that. It was not mentioned in the listing, like I said. But that is fabulous. I'm very, very happy with it. Gorgeous. I'm so glad I bought that. I was really on the fence. I was really debating whether or not to get it. Let me tell you what I paid for it. So they had this listed at $325, and then they had 20% off, so that was $65 off, and with tax and shipping that came to $294.39. I'm a little confused. I'm totally fine with that, worth it to me, but I'm also a little confused because I was just looking at the new listings, and now they have 4 of them that I'm seeing right away in the listings that are exactly like this, and they're listed at $250, which is less than I paid. 3 of them are listed at $250. One is listed at $297, and it says it's 40% off at that price. But let me check. Yeah, and the $250 price, you can still get 20% off of that. Well, that's annoying. It says the condition is pristine. It doesn't say anything about a box. Gosh, it's so cheap. I almost want to get those as gifts for people. They may be all sold out by the time you see this video. I bet they will be. There's also another one. I'll put a picture of it here. It's pretty much the same scarf, but instead of the GG print in the background, it's just a dark blue. It's just a navy blue, and it has more flowers on it, I think. Also listed as pristine. Also doesn't mention a box. And it's the same size as this, which is like 53 by 53 inches approximately. And they have tons of other Gucci scarves. I was looking at these and they have so many. Oh, here's 3 more of the one like I had listed at $250. I'm just scrolling down. Here's 4 more. They have a bunch of them. They have the pinky orange one. That's at $325. That's probably 20% off also. They have the one of the little twillies. That's kind of expensive. It's $295 for the blue twilly. There's also a light pink twilly in the blooms. I just think the blooms pattern is so pretty, don't you? And a bunch of them have already sold, like way a bunch of them, like 20 something of them. Man, that's why I think that they get them from the outlet, because they have so many sometimes of different things. All right, well, I hope if you're interested in one that they are still available. I'll try to post this video sooner rather than later, but that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you back here next time. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.